Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create a Canva gig in Fiverr. In this video we are going to reveal a platform from where you can make a gig for free, and we will also demonstrate all the steps for creating and downloading your gig. So watch this video till the end to better understand the process. There are many platforms from where you can create your gig for free, but we recommend to use Canva as it has many templates and elements that you can use for free. Click on the Create a Design button on the top right side, and at the bottom click on Custom Size. Now enter the width and height in pixels. Here we are going to create a 16:9 design. You can type in any resolution like 1280 into 720 or 1920 into 1080 and then click on the Create New Design button. This is the design interface. If you are new to Canva, then you can go through this tour or else skip it. Let's first give this design a name. Click on the top center of the page and type a name. We are naming this Fiverr Gigs. In the left sidebar, you will find 5 tabs which are Templates, Elements, Uploads, Text and more. You need to create your gigs using these 5 tabs. Design is an art. Everyone has their own talent for creating this art. We will demonstrate to you all the basic and essential features and steps that will guide you to make eye-catching gigs. In the Templates tab, you will find many ready-to-use designs that you can easily use for your gigs. Here we are going to design our gig for a video editing profile. You can proceed according to your profile's specialization, but the basic editing process will be the same. That is, finding suitable elements, dragging and dropping them on the canvas, repositioning them, and finally downloading your gig. So let's start our designing process. First, try to find a suitable template according to your Fiverr profile. If not, you will need to create it from scratch, but don't worry, we will demonstrate to you all the necessary steps for that. First, click on the Elements tab. Here you will find all the designs suitable for you. Use this search bar to find a suitable element. As we are going to create a gig for a video editing profile, we are searching for video editing. In the search results, you can use any of these elements except for those which are marked with a crown. These are available only to pro members. Scroll down to find a suitable one for your Fiverr profile. Here, this is looking perfect for a video editing profile, so we are going ahead with it. Click on it and it will be added to the canvas. Hold the element from the corners and resize it to fit in the canvas. Now, this can be used as the background for our gig. We can add some texts to it. But before adding text, if you wish to do some editing on this image, you can do it or else you can skip it. Click on the canvas. Some options will appear on the top of the page. Click on the Edit Image text. In the left sidebar, you will see many editing features under the Adjust section. From here, you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation. And if you click on See All, you will see more adjustment tools. You can use them according to your choice. This is the Filters section. Click on See All and you will find many filters like Epic, Festive, Summer, Afterglow, Solar and many more. Use these filters as per your preferences. After editing the background image, let's move on to adding texts. Click on the Text tab in the left sidebar. You can use this search bar to search for any specific text format, or use this Add a Text Box button to add some text. You can also use the Below Text presets. Scroll down to find a suitable preset, and when you get one, click on it. It will be added to the design. We will use this text as our headline. Let's first separate these two texts. Right-click on it and then click on Ungroup. Now separate the two texts. Double-click on the first one to select the text and write your Canva Gigs title. Here we are entering video. You can write the complete heading in this single text box, or you can use the second box to write another part for the headline. Now use the tools on the top to customize the font, size, color, alignment, and other features. After customizing the text, move it to a suitable position. If you have used the complete headline in the first time, then you can delete the second text box, or else you can use the second text box to complete the headline. Double click on it to select the text and type your text. We are typing in editing. Now adjust the font, size and alignment and then move it just below the first text. If you want, you can add some effects to these texts. Select the first text and then click on the effects text at the top of the page. Now from the left sidebar, you can add any of these styles to the text. Clicking on any one will give some more options to customize it. Apply them according to your choice. You can also apply the same effect on the second text. Just follow the same steps. Now let's add some highlights about the profile. Click on the text tab. You can proceed with a new text preset or use the same one used before. Click on it and after getting added to the design, delete the unwanted text layer. Double click on the first text to select it and type some highlights about your Canva gig. As we are creating a gig for a video editing profile, we are writing in YouTube videos. Adjust the font size and move it to a suitable position on the canvas. You can also change its color to make it different from the headline. To give it a better look, we can add an arrow before the text. Click on the Elements tab, search for arrow and find a suitable one. Click on any one, adjust its size by dragging it from the corners and move it to the left of the text. You can also change its color to match the text's color. Now select the text and arrow together and copy paste it by using your keyboard. Move the duplicated text and arrow below the first line and write something more. If needed, adjust the position and size. If you wish, you can use a different color from the first line. Now again, copy the text and arrow together, paste it to add a new highlight and follow the same steps. As we had told earlier, design is an art. You can take your time to make it more attractive and eye-catching by adding elements, texts, icons, emojis, and much more. And once you are done with editing, click on the Share button on the top right corner and click on the Download button. Now select the file type as JPG and click on the Download button and your Canva gig will start downloading. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to create a Canva gig in Fiverr. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.